Hey everybody, it's Bradley and Karina with Route 1 Motorsports, and we wanted to personally thank you for coming out to our Splash End of Summer demo event this past Sunday. We had over 40 participants and a bunch of other riders, passengers as well, and I think a lot of people had fun.
So much fun. It was great to see everyone's face, and especially out there on the water, and that's my favorite part about this. I got to meet all of you guys, and you guys got to test out some watercrafts.
Yeah, and we have a special incentive for all the participants. If you are looking to purchase a personal watercraft or a Sea-Doo switch, right now until the end of May, we're going to be giving an additional $500 on all our personal watercraft sales and an additional $1,000 on all our Sea-Doo switch sales. If you're interested in a Manitou pontoon boat, just contact us directly and we have a special incentive for you as well.
That's awesome, because our goal there was to give you guys a taste of what it's like to be on the water, and we're kicking off summer and it's the time to be on the water, so we're glad you got a taste and we know you loved it. So come on in, now's the time to take advantage.
It is. It's our Memorial Day savings event going on now. So additional, we have accessories and other vehicles on sale, but we know you were there specifically for watercraft. So again, take advantage of any of our leftover models and our current 2025 models right now. And who knows, maybe we'll do another one.
Stay tuned to Route 1 Motorsports, follow us on Facebook, and just give us a call. Come in if you're interested in anything. We can work with you on it. So if you had an interest, if you had some questions, just reach out to us. You may have met a salesperson there, so reach out to them directly, or just give us a call or come look for Bradley or I.
Yeah, and you can always check out our inventory online and stay up to date with all of our events on all of our social media pages, Route 1 Motorsports, or you can go to route1motorsports.com for all the information.
On behalf of everyone at Route 1 Motorsports, thanks for coming, and we'll see you soon.
We'll see you next time.